It's time for math, and we need today page 307, 308, right? So let's begin. Let's look at the top of our page, okay? Now we're going to add hundreds. It's the same thing as adding any rest. We always start over on the right, okay? So we add 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 4 plus 5 is what? 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. Oh, that's so easy, right? Okay. 3 plus 4 is what? 7. 4 plus 4 is what? 8. And you can do the rest, right? You always go this way, okay? Let's look at the ice cream cones, okay? Let's see how smart you are. Okay, it says, Tanya and Tina have the same favorite ice cream flavor. What flavor of ice cream do you want? You know, I don't know what my favorite is. I have several that I like. When we go to the United States, I used to get ice cream, but I don't eat sugar anymore, so I don't get ice cream anymore, which is sad because I really, really like it. But where I grew up, there was a farm where they made ice cream there. And I liked mint chocolate chip. I liked chocolate ice cream that had peanut butter in it. There was coffee ice cream I liked with chocolate in it. But if I was getting the kind that I could buy myself in the store in the buckets, vanilla fudge. Yep, I have my favorites. Well, Tanya and Tina have their favorites too. What is your favorite ice cream? Do you like fresa, chocolate, the green stuff, mint chocolate chip? Some children like bubblegum chicle. I don't know what your favorite is. But, okay, so we're going to see if you can figure out what this one, okay. So, it says Tanya and Tina have the same favorite ice cream flavor. Okay, we're going to give you the clues and see if you can figure it out. Okay, first one says, it is not the flavor to the far left. So you look here and say, okay, it's not the one all the way on the left. So which one are you going to put an X on? Okay, see how we do that? Okay, now you do that for the rest of the clues. It is not the flavor that only has 5 letters. Which one of those flavors? We have chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, that's fresa, and peach, durazno. Mr. Mark loves durazno. It's okay. But I have ones, my dad liked durazno too. Not my favorite, I could eat it, but, okay. So anyway, so we back here. It is not the flavor with just 5 letters. So look at those, the names, see which one has only 5 letras. And the last one, it is not, so put an X on that one. It is not the flavor next to the chocolate, al lado, chocolate, is not the one next to, al lado, not the one next to the chocolate. So which one is left, okay? I'm not going to tell you. See how smart you are. Okay, now, down here, at the bottom. We're at the ice cream store. Ooh, look at all that ice cream. Yummy. Okay, now it says write in the missing numbers, and you're going to count. Some of these you're going to count by, what does it say? Move my chair, sorry. Some of these you're going to count by 1s. Some you're going to count by 2s, 3s, 5s, and 10s. Okay, so you need to decide. So you look at the first one, 30 and 40. What number comes in the middle of there? Between 30 and 40. And what are you going to be counting by? Go down to the next one. You have 30 and then 34. What number goes right in the middle? Can you figure it out? Can you figure it out? Here we have 30, then blank, then 32. What number is missing? 30, 50. What number is missing? Find out the missing number and then just finish out the row, okay? We have 30 and 36. Okay, remember you're going to count either by ones, by twos, by threes, by fives, or tens. So we're going to mix up. We want to see how smart you are, and can you figure this out all by yourself? Turn page over, okay? Here. We have 5 and what? 5 and 7. Do that. Here we have our thermometer. How many degrees? Here it says, divide the circle into halves. If something has halves, how many parts does it have? Divide your circle in half. This one here, divide the rectangle into thirds. If it's thirds, how many parts does it have? How many parts? Thirds. ¿Cuántas partes? How many parts does it have? Okay? And then here, just count. 971, 972, 970, all the way up to 1,000. Okay? Easy lesson again. What do you need to do? Take your time today. Practice your flashcards. Do not be lazy. You can't just pour it in your ear. You can't shove that paper in your ear and get it to your brain. Will not work, okay? So practice your flashcards. Do your lesson, okay? Thank you very much, and get busy and use your brain. See you tomorrow.